Hello guys! Good evening and welcome back again to my channel. So guys, ngayon, tingnan nyo naman kami yung mga outfitan namin. Pupunta kami ng Canada! Yay! We're heading to one of the coldest place in the world. So, tingnan mo yung mga outfitan guys, so, di ba? Kasi ang dami namin bagahe. Naririnig nyo ba ako? Wala akong mic eh. So, tingnan mo, ang dami namin bagahe guys. Grupo ng mga uwihigang. So, ayan, sasakay na kami ng train, guys. Ayan, nandito na kami sa train. Andito na kami sa train. Ay, walang upuan, guys. Tatayo lang kami. Look at us. Look at our bagahe, guys. I'll show you. Taran! O, diba ang dami? O, ang ingay-ingay ko dito, guys. Maya ulit. Oh, tignan yung mga bagahe namin guys, oh.
So ngayon guys, sumakay kami sa tren nila. Paikot to sa lahat ng terminal sa San Francisco International Airport. So na-amaze ako guys kasi tingnan nyo. Sobrang taas, diba? Ayan o.
So guys, nakapag-check-in na kami and ang check-in pala dito is self-service, parang gano'n. Tapos ibabag drop mo na lang yung bag mo, magbabayad ka ng i-check-in mo. And yung hand carry dito guys is unlimited yung bigat ng hand carry. Unlimited yung bigat ng hand carry pero may dimension siya, may sukat. Alam mo, medyo kinabahan ako kasi nagtagal sa akin sa check-in. Sabi sa akin ng babae, ako daw, stay longer daw kasi she had to call the Canada, ewan ko, yung ETA, hindi ko alam, basta may tatawagan daw muna siya para i-verify muna ako. Diyos ko, day, namutla ang lola niyo. Namutla ako, day. Then, maya-maya may 3 staff na mga naka-uniform dumating. Ako, nag-uusap sila, di ko maintindihan. Eh, alam nga naman lumapit ako't makiisyoso, di ba? Tapos nung nabigay na sa akin yung boarding pass ko, yung medyo, hindi pa rin, kinabahan pa rin ako. Ewan ko, sana Lord, okay naman, tuloy-tuloy naman yung smooth lang sana yung namin ngayon. So yung flight namin guys is from San Francisco to Newark. Part pa rin siya ng US guys.
Oh, you broken it! Mommy, you broken it, this.
Ha?
You broken it.
Did I?
Yeah, you broken it.
Yeah.
I love you, Mommy. I love you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I like to go my friend.
Why?
I want to go my friend because she's happy. You want to go with me?
No?
Because she loves me. Mommy! Mommy!
What?
Because I want to go my friend, right?
Do you have friend?
Yeah.
Where?
I am over there, oh. Mommy, you check over there.
Get my phone first. My phone.
You hulog? Basag yan?
11:55 pa yung flight namin guys. So 10:40 pa lang. Kakain muna ako. Nakaya to, 7 tao. Nagsasalita ako mag-isa oh. Hindi magaling mag-vlog guys. Ayan na guys, boarding time na. Hi! Sa plane na kami guys. And bigyan si Kenda ng travel kit and
Pin.
So just please be patient with them. Just connection. Here are the keys. So as soon as everybody's on board.
hours layover kami dito sa New York. And andito na, boarding time na. Welcome to Canada! Yay! Hello guys! Andito na kami sa Ottawa! Yay! So guys, it's my first time here in Canada. O, diba nag-English na? First time ko dito sa Canada guys. And explore natin ang Canada. Natutunaw na daw yung yellow guys. Sana ma-experience ko naman yung snow, diba? So here's my baby girl. Yung immigration dito is self-service lang. Parang ikaw lang yung scan ng passport mo. And medyo nagtagal kami guys kasi may dala kaming booster seat na iwan, nawawala. So, marami pa kami finilapan at papalitan muna nila hanggat di pa nakikita yung booster seat na sa amin talaga. So, yun lang. Kaya naghihintay pa kami dito sa labas. Yung anak ko guys, namumulot na ng snow. Nasa labas kami ng airport, guys. Wow! Malamig! So guys, welcome to Canada! Welcome back again to my vlog. And ngayon guys, nakarating na kami sa bahay ng Tito Johnny. Ayan, may snow sa paligid. So itutur ko kayo sa bahay niya guys. Ang ganda, ang laki. So tara, pasok tayo. By the way guys, Tito Johnny is uncle of my husband. Ayan. Pasok tayo guys. Wow! And my baby girl is over there. Tignan nyo guys.
Mommy, you're on the stairs.
Yeah. And here is a whole body mirror. Ano ba to? A closet guys, closet. And this is the living room. Look guys, ang ganda. Wow. Nandito tayo sa kabila guys. And there's a CR. Wow. Yeah.
Then I'm gonna see myself.
Yeah.
You know, I'm gonna be in trouble. Don't do that.
Okay.
I'm wanted in the Philippines.
I will not include you.
I'm wanted. Lots of.
This is the other living room. Wow, dalawa ang living room guys. And there's snow over there. You go.
Manipis na ang snow, guys. Hindi na kasing kapal before. Pero it's cold pa rin. Yeah. Yan, makapalamag pa rin. Hindi kakalabas siya.
So, and this is the kitchen, guys. Lagusan pala siya sa kabilang sala. Diba? And this is the dining. And living room again. What a beautiful house. Tara guys, akit tayo sa stairs. Akit tayo sa second floor. O, diba carpeted? Ito yung master's bedroom, guys. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Wow! Ang laki. Andito yung CR. Ang laki ng CR. Ang linis pa. Oh. Parang hotel, di ba? Ang ganda, no? This is the other room, guys. This is the room where we're staying. O, diba, English na. Yung room namin dito for 12 days or 11 days. Ayan. Nandito yung mga bagahe namin. And let's go to the CR. I know. To Kuya Alex at Ate Alma's room. Look at this. And this is the bathroom. Diba guys, parang hotel, oh. Diba, linis po. Tignan nyo, oh, linis. Ang bango. Wow. At saka, may basement pa sa baba, guys, oh. So, diba, ang ganda, no? Wow, it's a very wow. Diba palang kulay. Ayan, nagkaka-English na sa baba, guys. Baba na tayo. Oh my God. Dumudugo na agad yung ilong ko. So, let's go na.
So much so I produced this thing for about 10 years now in the fridge, especially preparing for him because I like him so much.
Kuya Alex.
The last time when I was in California back in 2019, he tortured me so much by doing the paparazzi, but this time it's a blogging. I love it better. So this is, you see, it's a good run just for him. Take a picture of it.
We're eating.
All right. Now I hope you're happy. That's your dinner.
To the sound.
Nawala yung kwarto. Naginawa ng kwarto. Nawala yung TV. Ayun na.
Ito naman yung basement, guys. So, sabi ng asawa ko, dito raw sila
This
nagkakaroon.
exercise.
Diyan natulog sila, Mari.
Ayan. May
Wow,
CR.
may sariling banyo din dito.
Diyan siya matutulog. Siguro. Kasi taon na Tito Johnny. Ilan taon niya?
'Kay. You're so fatty.
Shout, mahal.
Ooh. You're so fatty, right? You're so funny. Brother, I miss you. Brother, I will go to snow for you, right? Oh, shouting. No, don't shout. You want to come with me in the snow? You want to come with me in the snow? You want to come with me in the snow? I'll wear my gloves, and I will wear my jacket, and I will wear my hat. You want it? I'll buy you a hat and gloves and a jacket. You want it? Wow! You want it, Kinky? To go to snow?
Don't shout.
Okay, I'll buy with you. You want to buy the You want to buy the shopping, and I will buy chocolate. You want it?
Basta na, good night na, good night. Good night na.
Because I'm talking pa. Tomorrow, and I will buy you gloves, and I will buy you jacket, and I will buy you shoes. But I love you so much. I love you on the strike. See, I love you, me. I love you, me.
Ano po yun?
Okay, because I'm too busy to come with me because the snow is very cold. You have to wear your jacket and the gloves and the shorts, right? Because I love you so much to buy that chocolate and a lollipop. Lollipop or chocolate? Okay. I'll buy 2 lollipops for brother. And I will give you one when you dress and the jacket and the gloves and the shoes. You want it? But I love you so much, Amar. The morning coming because I'll make you a nice house. You want it? Kong Kong, Kong Kong. I'll make a nice house. You want it? And a nice chair, and a nice window, and a nice door. You want, Kong Kong?
Sige na, good night na to, brother.
Good night, brother. Because I love you so much, I will buy you a chocolate and a candy. Chocolate or candy? Chocolate or candy? Candy? You want candy?
Good night na to, brother. Bye-bye na.
Because later pa. 5 minutes. I love you. Okay, I'll buy you a chocolate for you. And 2, last a moment.
Good night na, good night.
Because 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5 minutes pa eh. Adi Banji,